Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy. We're in the middle of a project here. Let me show you what I got going on. So this is my current setup. It's horrible. I have this foam here to protect the plug, and basically I just ratchet strap my battery to my fridge so it doesn't bounce around too much. I like to access it from the side. I don't want to slide out. I wanted a drawer system with a table originally, but I changed my mind on that because I am short, and as soon as I have to lift the wheels up or I'm sort of on some sort of angle, I won't be able to reach and cook. So I got a table off of Amazon that I just got the other day, and that seems to solve that problem. And I'm just gonna build a drawer, a simple do-it-yourself drawer for the bed of the truck. If it's something that you're interested in, stick around. I'll leave measurements and everything as we go along and show you the final product. So let's get started. All right, first cut, here we go. I'm going 4'10" from the edge of the bed. It's gonna allow a couple of inches for any latches or anything like that I'm gonna be putting on it. Cut number 2 and 3, we're gonna be notching out the Annabella's laughing. We're gonna be notching out the wheel well. One more little notch and this piece will be ready. All right, the base is done. I'm gonna paint it right now, and then we'll start building the rest. Okay, I did some more cutting. I didn't film it because I figured you guys have seen what cutting looks like. I filmed the other ones though, in case you haven't seen what cutting looks like. So here's the thing. I think I'm overbuilding it a little bit, and that's fine. I'm really worried about hitting the bumps, and the fridge is gonna be mounted to the top of it. So I went 3/4 inch plywood for the framing of it, or the outside box, and then the drawer is gonna be 5/8. I am using wood glue, a LePage Outdoor, and I'm using deck screws. But all in all, I'm into it for 101 Canadian dollars so far. Oh, sorry, plus paint. The paint was 67 Canadian dollars. Anyway, I'm going to box out, and then I'll paint it, put it back in, put the top on, and then build the drawer portion. I got that mixed up. I'm not putting the top on until I mount the drawer hardware. But right now I'm still doing the framing. This is what it looks like. We got that piece there, that's 2x1, and that is glued and screwed. And I'm gonna put a nice bead of glue right along here. And this piece will go like this, just like that. And then the drawer is going to go on the front edge here. Should look pretty good. Let's keep it going. To keep in mind is this piece has to be in here. This piece probably does not have to be in there. You could probably put some sort of flap or something so that you don't lose that storage. My fridge is gonna be here and my battery is gonna be here, so I wouldn't be able to get under it anyway, so I'm fine with that. Losing that little bit of storage, I'm okay with. All right, things are on the uppity up. I did test fit everything, and I put all my stuff in there, and I'm not gonna show you what that looks like just yet. I am gonna keep you in a little bit of suspense, but it was awesome. Time for paint. So we'll get this outer box painted. The drawer is going to get put in pretty soon here. I decided to go with a black satin, and then I'm gonna do the face with a stained piece of wood. Should turn out really nice.
Come on, let's go. Time to get to stepping out the door. Spread those wings, cause we wanna see more, do more, be more. Look a real cute, but we feeling hardcore. The journey awaits us while we stay up. So much to gain, all this time I just saved up. Now I put my weight, on the go. A worldwide treasure everywhere that I go. If you up for the trip, then I'm with it too. Take around the world, what we finna do. Let's enjoy the ride like a long vacation. It's the journey, not the destination.
Looking good. So it's all painted. Next up we'll install the hardware, which is going to be fun. Also, I decided I'm gonna change the face of it. I bought some nice wood. I'll stain it espresso. I'm gonna try to make it look nice. And we should be good to go. This should be done in the next couple hours here. We just have to wait for the paint to dry. So that's it, a job well done. I'm super happy with how it turned out. If I were to do it again, I would probably make it a little bit wider. We'll see, I don't know yet. I want to see if I can fit my totes in there. I haven't measured that out yet. But one of the big things is I want to be able to have my table up here. So I could just slide my table out right away and get everything set up. So I think this side piece would have been better off being a little bit taller. So I could strap this thing into there. I don't know, maybe another 5/8 piece right here. And just bring it up a little bit so that I can strap this table to it. Maybe I'll put a little hook here so when I unstrap it, there's a spot for the hook. I think that's it, I think I'm done. For sure I saved money on labor costs. This isn't perfect by any means. I did mess up on the height. You'll notice in the video I put the cleats on the inside and now the cleats are actually below it. I was out by 3/4 of an inch because of the wheel well. The wheel well height is actually about 3/4 of an inch lower than the curve that goes up into the side of the bed. So I messed up there. I had to adjust it a little bit. I wasn't gonna go buy another sheet of plywood. I just did it like this. It is super strong, it is super sturdy. It's not going anywhere at all. The back side, my spare tire still fits back there and my spare wheel gets strapped down to the mounts. So that's what's gonna hold it down on the back side, I guess on the front side. On the back side, there's also that mount in the corner here and it's kind of butted up against there so it can't really bounce around too much. I'm gonna leave you all the measurements. Again, you can just take these measurements and you can adjust it as you need it. You can make it a little bit wider, you can make it a little bit taller. I don't recommend making it taller. Right now, it just clears the light, which is nice. When I turn on the lights, it'll still shine on top of it. I could see a case of moving the drawer over this way a little bit so you don't lose that much storage here. Right now I have these little pouches and they hold things for my awning. So this one's got the wires, the other ones have the pegs and the cords. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.
Let's go! Life's